Hello everyone, welcome to Pramay English. Today we are here at the Unit 3 ITCO exhibition ground in Bhubaneswar to explore the INVEC National Women's Business Mela 2.0. The event is being organized by Indian Chamber of Commerce National Women Entrepreneurship Council, which was founded in 2020 and is a prominent initiative dedicated to empowering women entrepreneurs across Odisha and beyond. The event aims to provide an even larger platform for women-led enterprises, encouraging innovation, expanding visibility, and creating vital market linkages. The 5-day event brings together over 200 women-led brands, including startups, MSMEs, tribal entrepreneurs, and even young kidpreneurs from across Odisha. So now let's interact with some amazing women entrepreneurs.
समिता प्रधान मु जयदेव बिहार रुहे लेन 5 रे आउ मोर कंपनी ना होची मो बो मु 4 वर्ष हलानी ये बिजनेस टी आरंभ करिची आउ एतरे मध्ये बहुत सक्सेस आ लोक माने मध्ये मोर जिंस नै कि बहुत खुशी होचंती आउ सेकंड थर मध्ये मगौचंती आउ ए सब जिंस रे मते बहुत सैटिस्फैक्शन मिलुची आ लोक मध्ये बहुत प्रशंसा करूचंती एटा मो झिया मानकर माने कहवा अनुसार यहाँ देखिए मो झी मैंने मत बहुत श्रद्धार बो बोली डाकती आउ तेणुक सी श्रद्धार कंपानी नाटी बो बोली यहाँ मो झी मानकर आग्रह यहाँ माँ जमी मार मधुरताटा जमी आजिकल तो सब मम्मी आउ मम इन सब डाकुंट किंतु बोर डाक तो स्वप्न हो जाऊँगी तेणुक मो झी मैंने कहले जे नाई बो डाकटा आउ थे जमी माने बजाय रहू लोक मैंने एमती आउ बोर नाटा को रखतु से मुझे जिनटा बो ना मो झी मैंने आग्रह होबारु मु करिछि आउ
Jai Jagannath. My name is Nandini Lakhotia. I am from Divine H2. I am the founder of Divine H2. We deal in alkaline water and hydrogen water solutions. We are India's first certified manufacturer of alkaline water and hydrogen water. We are dealing in 3 products currently. One is our hydrogen water bottle, one is our domestic alkaline water machine, and one is our commercial alkaline and hydrogen water machine. Basically, hydrogen water, what is it and what is alkaline water? Alkaline water is basically healthy water, ionized water, which is generated from the electrolysis chamber inside a machine. It breaks the water molecule down and generates hydrogen from it. What is the use of hydrogen? It cures a lot of diseases. In today's day, Yuvraj Singh and many other celebrities who were diagnosed with cancer drink this kind of water to better help their disease, and it gives the body that environment. It gives the body an alkaline environment which helps cure all the diseases. It's for both people who want a healthier lifestyle. In today's day, we spend a lot of money going to hospitals and curing our diseases. So our motto is, why not invest in a healthy water machine and stay healthy from the beginning, so we don't have to visit doctors as much.
Myself Bandana, and I'm the assistant designer of this brand, Shefali by Iti Samanta. So it was founded in 2021. So our forte are like sarees, and we are completely dealing with Odisha handlooms. All the things we are saying right now, everything is made out of Odisha handlooms only. So all our designer segments, they are starting from 20,000 to up to 2 lakhs as well. And as you know, sarees are forte of the brand. Apart from that, we are also crafting lehengas, then sararas, Indo-Western things, and also contemporary fashion things. This is the first time we are participating in Odisha actually, but before that we also participated in like Dubai Fashion Show and in also like Times Fashion Week in Delhi. So ours is the first time that we are participating in Odisha. It's a very beautiful experience because I have seen all the women entrepreneurs themselves. They have they are here only promoting their business, promoting their crafts and everything. So it's a very relaxing, very refreshing space altogether to grow.
Namaskar, my name is Pallavi Deepak Rathore and I'm the founder CEO of EcoBoon Apparels Private Limited. At EcoBoon Apparel Private Limited, we have designed and manufactured reusable period panties for teens and ladies of all shapes and sizes. We have 10 sizes to cater to all body types, starting from 2XS to 5XL. Two variations, one is for soft to light flow, the other one is for heavy flow. And we have participated the very first time here in the ICC Women's Business Mela. This is the very first time, and the concept of the product is very new, very different. Our period panties are made of micromodal, which is a natural fiber, which is 6 times more absorbent than regular period panties that you get in the market. And it uses 20 times less water during production and 5 times less footprint during production, thus making our period panties 70% biodegradable. We need to make this one switch from disposable to reusable to actually make a difference in the climate crisis that we are facing today. Just one switch from disposable to reusable can make a significant impact on the climate that we are living today. Thank you so much.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind. I'm Dr. Ananta Singh Raghuvanshi. I'm the chairperson and founder member for Naredco Mahi. Naredco is an association of 15,000 builders, and Mahi is the women's wing, which I am the chairperson for. Mahi is working towards gender integration in the real estate sector. It is also working towards Dolphin Tank Incubator, which is a prop tech incubator for startups in real estate. We also have skilling initiatives. We do coaching through NIRED for RERA, and through Nipun also we help laborers in their skilling programs. Other than that, we are working for sustainability, and another initiative is Nirmal Jal Prayas, which is working for water savings in the sector. We are 108 volunteers, all women from real estate. We have architects, civil engineers, wastewater specialists, researchers, marketing people. I'm myself a PhD in real estate management, and I'm so excited to be here in Bhubaneswar to launch the Mahi chapter in East India. Ms. Ratnamala Swain has helped us from DN Homes in starting this initiative. We also feel so happy that we had the speaker for Madam Surama Padiji here to help us in setting this up and in motivating more and more women to join the real estate sector. Ms. Sophia Firdaus also graced the occasion, and Ms. Maan was there as well. So there is full women power here and a lot of excitement going on here in Bhubaneswar today. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. I am Smita Patil. I am National President of Naredco Mahi and Managing Director at SSPL Group. I am from Pune, a developer and a woman developer, I would say, here today for the Bhubaneswar meet of Naredco Mahi. INVEC is a wonderful platform for all the women entrepreneurs. Being a woman, we understand how it is important to uplift and support each other. So this is the place where we can show our support to all the women entrepreneurs, and so that I am here.
What unique challenges have you faced as a women entrepreneur?
Unique challenges was I am a leader in real estate, and real estate is known as a male dominating industry, and accepting a woman leader is difficult. And when I joined real estate almost 15 years before, it was very few girls were there, but reporting to a lady was a difficult for the people, but with the knowledge and the vision, if you have, a leader can be a male or female. There will not be a female leaders, there will be a leaders. And that's how I got successful with the knowledge and hard work and the mentorship I received.
So, how has your experience been at the Mela over past 2 days?
It is wonderful, it is fantastic. I have seen all the stalls I have visited, all the women entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs are there, and they have their real touch from the heart to their products. And I thoroughly enjoy all the project and did lot of shopping.
My name is Sasmita Samal. My brand name is Hindi Hues. Hindi Hues is a brand that deals in jewelry. I basically design contemporary jewelries, gold brass, silver brass, all sort of brass jewelries. We also have bridal, ethnic, and any sort of jewelry that you are looking for that we have. And the price range starts from 250, 300. It is a very nominal price, and we totally justify the quality with the price range. And about the business mela, I'm coming here for the second time. First time I was here as a customer. This time I'm here as an entrepreneur, and I'm totally loving it. 200 plus women, they are having their stalls here with all the incredible designs, and we are very proud of them. And this is a very encouraging moment for us, because every day the guests who are coming, they are very motivating, and yes, it is going very good. Last 2 days the footfall was good, and now that we are in the weekend, so we are expecting way more crowd than the weekdays. So yes, overall the experience is pretty good, and we are feeling really empowered and looking forward to have 3 more good days here. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Dash. I represent Altangle Research Private Limited, and this is the first time we are participating in a business mela, which is especially for the women entrepreneurs, and we have got a lot of encouragement coming here, and it's a good thing to participate in these kind of fairs, that it gives a lot of encouragement to women entrepreneurs who are working so hard to establish their businesses. And we are into AR, VR and 3D animation modeling, and our specialization is in VR. So we have reconstructed the Konark Mandir, which is an ancient Konark Mandir. We have reconstructed in VR, and we are giving a virtual walkthrough of it, virtual walkthrough of Konark also. And recently we have created an application for ladies and boutiques for saris and kurtas, which can be customized as per the requirements, as per the showroom's requirement. Like you can customize your saris and kurtas and shirts. You can choose your patterns, your pallu design. We are not giving them directly, but we can give them directly. We have developed this for the tourism department actually. This is actually we are a startup company, and this is a prototype right now. But we can create that for the customers as per their requirements. Like if a construction company wants for showcasing their or pitching for their apartments or projects, we can do that.
The INVEC National Women's Business Mela 2.0 stands as more than just an exhibition. It represents a significant movement to empower women entrepreneurs across Odisha. By providing a vibrant platform for brand visibility, market linkage, networking, and learning, INVEC aims to accelerate the growth of women-led enterprises, contributing to the vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat and Utkarsh Odisha.
My name is Alok. I'm from Bhubaneswar only. I was here because I heard of this place, this business mela, and visited with my friends. It is really good place, amazing. It's a good place to come and to discover a lot of things, and there's a good food court also, and there's a lot of stuff here. You get I did not know so many things we have here in Bhubaneswar, and I came here and I discovered a lot of stuff. it's a good, amazing, a lot of good, amazing startups are here, and thankfully they are getting a lot of exposure. We are also getting to know about them, so it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
What do you want to say about the initiative of the state government?
A very good initiative. I think you should do this more often. If it's more startups can be added to this. We have a lot of potential here in Bhubaneswar and even in Odisha. So we can have that, and we'll also, as a consumer, and we miss out on a lot of things. We discover these, so many startups are there. We discover them. It's a good thing for them, for us both. There's a company called, I did not know about that company, but there's a company called Shefali. It's the stuff that the clothes and the designs that the fabric they have, very good.
Hi, I'm Jyotirmay and I am from Bhubaneswar. So this Mela that I am in empowers women, and it's a great step from the government, and I love the initiative that they have taken to empower and encourage women to build their own career, to be themselves and to earn their own money so that they don't depend on anyone else. My experience has been very great here. Every store that I go to, every little pop-up that is here, they are very creative, which is very new in my opinion, because the rest of the melas that I go to, they are creative, yes, but they are very generic, and the kind of little details that these women have come up with that solve every little problem of ours, I really love it. The handloom especially, I mean everything is great, but the handlooms and the little jewelries, the trinkets, they are of amazing quality, and you should definitely check it out. Definitely. First of all, they are representing their own culture. The culture is not dying now because of this. And about the economy, I think the more they put themselves out there, the more we notice them, and it sells more and it helps the economy a lot.
Thank you for joining with us. Hit the subscribe button for more such videos.